How to block someone on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. On this page, there are various sections and options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, go to the bottom menu and tap on the Activity option that is found at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the Activity page, you will see all the activities you have carried out on your account. From them, look for the transaction you have had with the person you want to block. You can also use the search bar to search for the person you want to block. Once the transaction opens, go through it and tap on the profile icon of the user. Once you do that, you will see the Profile Information page, where there is some information about the user. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and come to the section named What You Can Do. Under the section, there are more options, as you can see here. From them, make sure you tap this option here named Block. A pop-up appears asking you to confirm your action. So, if you are sure about blocking the person, go ahead and tap on Block. If you want to cancel the action, then go ahead and tap here, Cancel. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to block someone on Cash App.